Hi everyone, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender and today I'm making a Fay Wray. So this one is from Matthew Belanger from Donna in Brooklyn, New York. And the reason it jumped out to me is, well, A, because I just picked up a bottle of Barbancourt, the Haitian rum. I hope that's how you pronounce it. And also it has banana liqueur. I've had banana liqueur sitting on my shelf for quite some time, in particular the Tempest Fugit. And I've done a couple of tastings of it, but I haven't used it in a cocktail, I don't think. So I thought, what an opportune time to do it and just get straight into the cocktail. This one here calls for, it's a nice easy one to remember. So it's 3/4 ounce, so 22.5 ml of your choice of lightly aged rum. So I'm using Barbancourt, which is the 3-star 4-year-old rum, and Pierre Ferrand Cognac, 3/4 ounce, 22.5 ml. Banana Liqueur, so Tempest Fugit, 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce. Smells like overripe bananas, delicious. And next ingredient is Rhum Agricole. I believe in the original recipe it does call for a blanc or unaged agricole, but this is the VSOP by Rhum Clement, which is aged. I'm not sure how long, but 1/4 ounce, so 7.5 ml. So admittedly, if you use an unaged one, it's probably going to add a little bit more kind of grassy vegetable notes in comparison to this one. Then we've got Demerara Rum, which is a 2-to-1 syrup. 7.5 ml, 1/4 ounce. And this was the part that not confused me, but I found kind of interesting because it calls for 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. As well as a piece of lime squeezed and dropped into the shaker. So I can understand the lime being dropped into the shaker because then when you shake it, it's going to extract some of those oils, or at least impart some of those lime oils on the drink itself. And that's it. So it calls for whip shaking. So adding a little bit of pebble ice or crushed ice, and then shaking until that is completely not dissolved, melted. Sure. So the purpose of whip shaking is it adds a bit of dilution and then also chills the drink enough, but then adds a lot more aeration. The less ice you have in there, the more aeration it's going to be, and it's going to be nice and light and fluffy. Transfer it into an old-fashioned glass with the lime wedge and all, and then top it up with crushed or pebble ice. And the garnish is pretty straightforward. It has banana liqueur in the drink, so therefore we'll add a slice of banana on the side. It does call for dried banana, but fresh will do. And some fresh mint. There you have the Fay Wray. Cheers. Now there's a lot of flavors going on there. So we've got the Barbancourt, the Haitian rum, which is made from pressed sugarcane. So in a similar manner to Rhum Agricole, but the only thing is that they double distill it to a higher proof, and therefore it's not as grassy and vegetal. It's probably closer to a more, not traditional style rum, but a rum made from molasses or sugar byproduct as opposed from pressed cane juice. I mean, cognac, banana liqueur, it sweetens it, but it's not overpowering. It's not too candied, not too sweet, and it works really well. I mean, there's so many different ingredients that banana could easily take over a cocktail, I feel. Banana liqueur, it's quite sweet, quite flavoursome. Like this one in particular smells like overripe banana, but it complements the drink really, really well. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.